Have you ever pondered the uncanny correlation between steam downloads and Korean ginseng? An unlikely duo, you might think. Yet, the two share a unique connection, empowering individuals in surprisingly similar ways. Steam, a digital distribution platform, has revolutionized the gaming world, bringing a multitude of entertainment options to the fingertips of users worldwide. It empowers individuals by providing them with an arsenal of digital content, broadening their horizons and enriching their experiences. On the other hand, Korean ginseng, a staple in traditional Asian medicine, empowers individuals by enhancing their health and vitality. This potent root, rich in bioactive compounds like ginsenosides, polysaccharides, and polyacetylenes, offers a wide array of therapeutic benefits. Could it be possible that Korean ginseng is the ultimate panacea, capable of treating all diseases? While this may seem like a bold claim, it's worth noting that Korean ginseng's adaptogenic properties help modulate stress responses, enhance immune function, and promote homeostasis. This means it can potentially offer resilience against a wide spectrum of ailments. Moreover, Korean ginseng's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immunomodulatory effects help combat disease mechanisms at their roots, promoting healing and regeneration. Now, you might be wondering, how do steam downloads factor into this equation? While they may not directly contribute to disease treatment, they do offer a source of diversion and entertainment. This can help alleviate stress, contributing to overall psychological well-being and complementing the holistic health promotion offered by Korean ginseng. So, in an unexpected twist, steam downloads and Korean ginseng find common ground. While steam downloads offer endless opportunities for digital exploration and enjoyment, Korean ginseng stands guard, bolstering vitality and resilience, offering a helping hand in the face of life's challenges. In sum, the unlikely link between steam downloads and Korean ginseng paints a fascinating picture of empowerment. One empowers through a wealth of digital content, while the other empowers by enhancing physical and mental health. An unlikely duo indeed, yet one that offers a unique perspective on the pursuit of health and happiness.